Presenting the LG 55 inches 4K Ultra HD Smart OLED TV in the color Dark Meteo Titan. The TV comes in two size variants of 55 inches and 65 inches. With 4K Ultra HD 3840 by 2160 pixels of resolution, this OLED TV produces stunning and highly detailed pictures and gives a lifelike viewing experience. This LG TV has a display that is further enhanced by features like self-lit pixels, eye comfort display, Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Atmos to offer you rich and comfortable entertainment. It has a maximum operating distance of 6 feet. The LG TV comes equipped with Alpha 7 Gen 4 AI processor 4K that uses deep learning algorithms to analyze and optimize content. Thanks to smart TV features like AI ThinQ, built-in Google Assistant and Alexa, Apple AirPlay 2 and HomeKit, WebOS and Game Optimizer, you will be able to enjoy a hassle-free and optimized user experience. The TV also supports OTT platforms and apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus Hotstar, Apple TV, SonyLIV, Discovery Plus, Z5, Voot, Google Play Movies and TV, YuppTV, YouTube and Eros Now. The TV has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth version 5.0 connectivity and comes with 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. It features a 20 watts output speaker with Dolby Atmos and AI sound for an immersive audio experience. The TV comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery per your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.